Hey friends, Spiky Valentine here, welcome to my face! And do you notice anything different about my face? Or maybe not my face. Maybe you notice something different about my hair because I dyed my hair. She finally did it, finally dyed that hair. I don't know why I'm singing, but I'm just excited because I finally did it, y'all. I finally dyed my hair and I'm kind of really excited about it because this only took me 10 minutes to do. And there ain't no damage. And I can reverse it at any time because clearly I have issues with commitment. So being able to change this out like really quickly is like thumbs up this video if you guys have long-term commitment issues like I do. I am super excited for this video because I've been seeing these things all over the place. Everyone's been talking about them. This is the Hush Prism Airbrush spray, so I thought I would like put it to the test on my dark unruly beast of hair. I have always wanted to color my hair, but I've just never gone through and like done the leap because I've always been terrified of damaging it. Like you gotta bleach it because my hair is so dark, and then you like all this. So I've been looking for a way to just temporarily give me a little pop of color. You guys know this weekend I am actually emceeing a big event at Stagecoach Festival, and I was like, you know what, she needs a little color. Now I didn't really know what I was gonna do going into this because there were so many colors. I wanted to just like try out a few and see what happens. So I kind of came out with this like unicorn oil slick look. So we did like a gradient, a little unicorn splash, okay, for the festival season. I'm all about it. So I'm going to show you guys a step-by-step on how to create this look. There are literally 7 colors that I'm going to show you guys. So I'm also doing a big old giveaway, so stick around to the end of the video and I will announce that big old giveaway. You guys don't want to miss it because it's really freaking pretty awesome. Alright, Spiky, you've been talking enough. Let's get to the tutorial, and I think we're going to go into voiceover mode. I feel like a small child could jump rope with my hair right now. Alright, so this is how I usually dry my hair. Y'all know the deal. I do the braids so that it, you know, so that I can make mustaches. No, actually I do it so that it's just more manageable with my hair and it keeps the frizz down to a minimum and also deep conditions. So, of course, I've got to take the braids out on both sides. Here's what it looks like, the texture, as I take all of that mess out. We got some fluff of hers. Okay. I feel like I'm gonna do a little swatch real quick, so I just like took a section of hair from the back here and we're just gonna see what all of the colors look like and then we'll go from there. Shake it like you paying your rent, girl. Ooh. Here is Lemon Drop. It's like a shimmery gold color. Here is Tin Woman. Ooh. I like that. This one is Antique Red. Okay, come through, Rihanna colors. Come through, Riri. Teal Breeze. Here is Malibu Pink. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, I love that color. Here is Amethyst Haze. I like that name, Amethyst Haze. It sounds so fancy. And the last one is Blue Moon. Ooh. I think I'm really liking this teal and the pinks together. Come through, instant color. All right, let's do this. I actually think it's a requirement to make ridiculously weird, uncomfortable, embarrassing faces while you do this. It just sort of helps the process along. So I am just doing short strokes of sprayage about 7 to 10 inches away as per the instructions, and I'm just kind of going for it. I'm doing layers. You can like layer the colors over each other to get a nice gradient effect and they blend well together, so that's what I'm trying here. We went with the pinks and the teals, a little purplage, some bluage there, and I'm really liking how this comes out. I'm really impressed actually at how it shows up against my dark hair. I love it! Oh my gosh! So this wound up kind of being, because I did like the gradient look, it has a bit of like an oil slick feel down here with like teal highlights coming through the purples, and then I didn't like coat all of my hair because I wanted some of the darks of my natural color to just kind of come through as these low light situations. So totally play around with how much you spray in it. You could do really light for like a color highlight, or you could just go full on saturated. I think I kind of went somewhere in between. Here's what my hands look like during the process. I'm gonna wash them real quick and then touch the hair and see how much transfers, if any. So I'll let you know. Hold on. My hands are clean, just a little soap and water. I'm just gonna go ahead and touch the hair. Now I probably like wouldn't wear white with this just in case it transfers onto your clothes, but let's see how that did with me like touching my hair. And my hands are clean. There's maybe like a little bit of shimmer on my hands, so yeah, it's not bad at all. And you know what would really sell this look? Is if I change the color of my brows. So hold on a second, I'll be right back. Bam! Now we got some purple brows to go with all the colors. You guys see how that just ties everything in, because obviously like your natural hair color is going to match your brow color. So if you really want to sell your hair color being changed, just go with changing your brow. And it's really easy to do. Just grab an eyeliner pencil and pop it right on over your brow as if it were a brow pencil, and here she go. Okay, it's a look. Yes! Color service with a smile. So these are available at Sephora. I will have a link down below that will just take you straight there. You guys can check them out online. So follow that link in the description. We gonna hook you up. It's not an affiliate link, don't worry. It's a link to like so you can find the sprays and like get them and, you know, have fun with your hair. Alright, it is giveaway time, because I said I'm doing a big giveaway, and I am going to give away to one lucky winner all 7 of the Hush Prism Airbrush sprays. I don't know why I'm singing like that. I'm just really excited because it's been a while since we've done a giveaway around here, you know what I'm saying? Thumbs up for big giveaways! Just look in the description box below to find the link for the Hush giveaway. It ends on April 30th, so you only got a couple of days. So those of you guys who are here early, y'all getting in on the giveaway, okay? Hashtag early squad. Leave me a comment below and let me know what color you would do your hair, because I am so curious to hear about it. And give a big thumbs up to this video if you enjoyed it, and let me know what kind of videos you want me to do next. But I know you're not going anywhere, alright? Just sit back down, okay? Like you already late for school, you already late for work, you might as well just sit down, get a little sip of coffee or tea, and hang out with me, because we got some more videos right here. And you can click or tap on one of those. You guys know the drill. I love you so much, and I will see you in one of these videos right here and in a couple of days with a brand new one. Alright, I love you guys, smooches. Mwah. Bye.